How do you know his name?
Look who's on the porch.
Oh, God! Please don't hurt him!
It all depends on you.
Why are you doing this?
I want to play a game. Here's how we play. I ask a question. If you get it right, Steve lives.
Please don't do this.
Come on, it'll be fun. It's an easy category. Movie trivia. The game's as simple as a pimple on your cute little face. I ask you a question. If you answer it right, I leave you alone and we can call it a night. But if you blow it, Steve will know it when he feels my blade. All right? Here we go. On your mark, get set. Name the killer in Halloween. Or did you forget?
I know this. Where I know this.
What's his name?
I can't think.
Steve's counting on you.
Michael Myers?
Yes, sir! Good girl! You gave it a whirl. So here's the real question. Since you know how to play, the last one was a warm-up. Hope Steve knows how to pray.
Go away! Leave us alone!
Are we ready? Steady, Freddy. No, that wasn't a hint. Name me another slasher or a drill bit will be cleaning Steve-O's belly button lips. Name the killer in Friday the 13th.
Oh, I know this one. Jason!
I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer.
No, it's not. I saw that movie 20 goddamn times.
Then you should know Jason's mother, Mrs. Voorhees, was the original killer. Jason didn't show up until the sequel. I'm afraid that was a wrong answer.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to tonight's first big kill sequence. First kill sequence! Yes!
You tricked me.
I'm afraid it's too late for Steve.
Yeah.
But lucky for you, there's a bonus round.